Hey everyone, welcome to Flavors and Fragrance Recipes. Today we are making chicken korma, and for this I have taken 1.5 kg of chicken. I have cut them into pieces and I also made a slit over here like this, you can see. And now we are going to marinate this chicken. For marination I am going to take ginger garlic paste around 2 to 3 tablespoons because my chicken is around 1.5 kg. To this I am going to add half a cup of dahi. So let me just add that. Remaining half cup I am going to use it in my green paste. Now to this we are going to add 1 lemon juice, and to this now we are going to add our dry ingredients. Our dry ingredients are half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of red chili powder. Red chili powder you can put as per your taste. 2 to 3 tablespoons of dhana jeera powder. And at this point I'm going to add even my chicken masala. You can add any chicken masala that is available in your market. I am adding my homemade masala around 2 tablespoons. You can use Everest chicken masala or MD chicken masala. And I'm going to put some salt also, but very little, say around half a tablespoon of salt. Now we are going to mix all this and keep this chicken for at least 1 hour. In the meantime we will make our paste. This is a paste that we are going to make with green chilies, mint leaves, badam, kaju. Now for the paste I am going to take 2 to 3 green chilies and 6 cashews and 6 badam. And to this I am going to add some pudina leaves, very little, a little bit of coriander leaves, and we are going to put our half a cup of yogurt. Half cup we have put in the marination and half over here. And now this we are going to keep because we are going to add our fried onions to this. So let's fry our onions. Let's keep this aside. So I've taken my pan and now I'm going to fry my onions. I'm going to put in some oil over here first. In this chicken korma recipe basically we have to make the onions brown, okay, and then make it into a paste. So we are putting this onions, sliced onions, they are around 4 onions I have taken, and now I'm going to fry them till they are nice brown. So let's fry it. So I have fried my onions and they are like this, okay, all the 4 onions I fried them, and this is what I want, the brown, not more darker than this because it will get burnt. So now what we are going to do is we are going to add this onion to this mixture and we are going to grind it to a smooth paste. So this is our main masala, okay, in chicken korma. In chicken korma what basically happens is we cook the onions first in advance and then we grind it to this paste. So it will kind of be a green brown paste. So let's cool down this onions and then grind it to a smooth paste, and then we'll start making our chicken in kadai. After the onions are cooled down, I made it into a paste. This is the paste. I have not added any water because we had put some yogurt, dahi in it. So the paste is looking like this. You can see the consistency. It is smooth but thick. Very silky paste. This is the main paste of our chicken korma. And now we will start making our korma in our kadai. So let's do it. So I've taken my kadai and now I've heated my kadai. I'm putting my oil, around 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil, hing. To that I'm going to put some bay leaf, that is tej patta, 2, and big cardamoms, black cardamoms, around 2 to 3. Now let it heat up and crackle in the oil a bit. You can put jeera also if you want, but I'm not going to put. And now the marinated chicken, I'm going to put one by one. My gas is on low. And first I'm going to fry this chicken little bit till it releases some oil. And then we will put our korma masala. So let's put all our chicken and fry it. Mix this now. Remember that we have put yogurt in our chicken, so yogurt is going to release oil, so oil and water, so we don't have to add any additional water. Yogurt is going to release water. So like this we mix, and now immediately we are going to put our paste, but we'll fry this for around 5 to 7 minutes first. Now it's 5 minutes and it's cooking like this. Now I'm going to put all my paste. This is the main paste of this chicken korma, and now we have to mix it well and cook it in this paste. Since the onions are already cooked, that is fried, this paste is cooked. This is going to be very tasty and exactly the way we want our korma to be. Now I've simmered my gas. I'm mixing it, and then I will cover it and cook it on high till the chicken is completely cooked. And in the end we will put cream, garnish it with coriander leaf, chopped coriander leaf. So this is how it's looking now. I've mixed it well. The color is looking very nice, very different color it is, very creamy, silky gravy it looks. And now I'm going to cover this. I have not tasted the salt and everything. Only salt consistency we will adjust. Otherwise we don't need to put any other masala because we have already put everything. So let's just cover this. The flame is on high, and now I'm going to cook this till the chicken is cooked and till it releases its oil. Okay, it's been 20 minutes. Now let's see how our chicken is looking. I'm taking off the lid. And it looks good to me. Now let me just put in some cream first. I've taken 2 tablespoons of cream. And now we mix this. And let's taste the salt, taste, consistency. And now we just have to garnish it with chopped corianders, nothing more. If you feel that you don't want so much gravy, then you can just put the flame on high and cook it further. Make it till the gravy is thick. For me it looks good. I like it because it's a chicken korma curry, so my curry has to be this much. I like to eat it with roti and rice, so I'm okay with this gravy consistency. I'm going to add some salt now because salt is little less, and then I'm going to mix it well and then garnish it with coriander leaves, chopped coriander leaves. And our kurma, chicken kurma is ready to serve hot with chapati, roti, naan, and it tastes very good with rice also. So let's garnish it with chopped coriander leaves. Do make this recipe in your house and let me know in the comments if you like it. It's a very different recipe, very tasty. Happy cooking. See you again with some new interesting recipe. Subscribe to our channel Flavors and Fragrance. Bye bye from Deepali. Until next time. See you.